All right, everyone. So I have been in this platform for some time now, and I have not made a public withdrawal the way I want to do this one today. Don't get me wrong, I have been making very, very small withdrawals, okay, without recording it. But some of my team members are asking me to record a withdrawal video so that they will know how to withdraw. Okay, so this 700 is a combination of my actual pure profit from the properties that I have purchased plus my referral bonuses. So everything combined together is $700. Just so you know, I'm always honest in telling you the kind of withdrawal I am making. So that being said, let's dive right in and show you how to make withdrawal if this is your first time of making withdrawal in e-estate. This video will guide you on how to make that withdrawal. Okay, so here is my back office. The first thing you do once you're logging into your back office and you want to withdraw is you go to your buyer tab here, and then you select your my assets. Okay, when you click on my asset, you will see your balance here where it says tokenized real estate profit. Okay, so what you then do, so click transfer. So you need to move this money, okay, which is your profit, from your assets, okay, page to your e-wallet, because every transaction happens in your e-wallet. Deposit and withdrawal happens through your e-wallet. Okay, so I'm going to move this. Once I click transfer, it's going to ask me to enter the amount, okay, that I want to withdraw. If I want to withdraw everything, I will enter the amount of the money I want to withdraw from there. If I don't want to withdraw all of it, I will just enter the amount I want to withdraw. So, but in this instance, I want to withdraw everything. So I'm going to enter the amount I want to withdraw. So I will enter 503. Okay. And it's going to ask me to enter my PIN. Now, this is your withdrawal PIN. It is a 6-digit PIN that you must have set up. If you haven't set it up, go to your settings and set it up. Okay. But usually you're supposed to set it up if you are following on my registration on how to sign up video, because I did all of that once you complete your sign up or your registration. So I am going to enter my withdrawal PIN code there. Okay. So once the withdrawal PIN code is entered, you click withdraw to e-wallet. Okay. And then you will see where it says successfully sent to e-wallet, which is great. So you will now click done. And what you then do is you go to your e-wallet. Usually when you make such withdrawal, it takes a few minutes before they will approve it and it will appear on your e-wallet. Okay, so immediately you make a transfer to your e-wallet, please be patient and wait for the money to appear on your e-wallet. Okay, so what I will then do, once it appears on my e-wallet, I will just open this. I will just go back to my dashboard. Okay, so click on your dashboard and then click where it says open wallet. Okay, so you will see your e-wallet here, and then you click open wallet. So once you hit open wallet, you will see your balance that you have already on your e-wallet. So as I said, in a few minutes, it's going to appear on this and it's going to be added together with what I have right now on my balance. Okay. However, I still have some agent commission that I need to withdraw. Okay. So if I click there, you will see my agent profit as well. Okay, so this is the commission that I get for bringing people on board and telling them what e-estate is and telling them how they are going to benefit from this wonderful platform. So I am going to click withdraw profit. So again, when I click on withdraw profit, remember this is my referral bonuses. Okay, the 503 that I made a transfer from my assets balance to my e-wallet, that is my actual profit from the properties that I have purchased. So I'm going to click withdraw profit. Once more, it's going to ask me how much do I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw everything. So I will just enter 191, and then I will now enter again my PIN. So I'll enter my withdrawal PIN there. As you know, it's 6-digit code. So make sure you set it up for yourself and then click withdraw to e-wallet. So you can see that everything is going back into the e-wallet. Okay, so then I will click done, and then I will now navigate back to my dashboard and then go to my e-wallet. So momentarily, everything will be calculated and added all year on my wallet balance, and it should be about $773, $72 maybe. So give it a few minutes and it will appear here. So after a few minutes, I just checked my wallet balance and the money is there. So this is what I need to advise you guys on, okay? When you click to transfer your profit from your real estate to your e-wallet, please be patient. Give them few minutes, okay, for them to process it from there to your wallet balance. So once it is on your wallet balance, you will be able to cash this out. So how do you cash out? Take a look at my right hand side there. You will see where it says e-wallet management. Okay, so right here you have two tabs, deposit or withdraw. So I want to withdraw, so I select withdraw. Okay, when I select withdraw, if you want to withdraw with USDT BEP20, okay, that is minimum amount for that is $1. If you want to withdraw through other means, for example, if I select USDT TRC20, you will see that the minimum to withdraw there is $20. Okay, so in this case, I want to withdraw everything that I have here, $776. Okay, so I am just going to enter 776, and I am going to receive $768 because they are taking a fee of $7.76, which is 1% fee, okay, from the total amount of money that I want to withdraw. So that being said, let me enter my withdrawal PIN, which is usually the 6-digit codes, and I will just click confirm, and then we'll see how long it's going to take them to process that into my wallet. Please bear in mind, take note of that wallet. That wallet address is for my Kraken, okay, my Kraken account. So that money is going to be deposited into my Kraken account. So I am going to enter my 6-digit codes. Okay, so that's my 6-digit code entered, and I'm going to click confirm. And then that is going to go, and you will see where it says on top right here, your withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. So usually when you click to withdraw, you get your withdrawal get processed within 24 hours. Okay, so you can see that my wallet balance is now 0, or maybe just 2 cents that is left there. So right now I am making this withdrawal on the 12th of November around 17:45, okay, which means 15 minutes to 8 p.m. UK time, because I am in the UK. So let us wait and see how long it's going to take them to process that withdrawal, and we'll come back to this recording. Incredible. So 1 minute later, I got paid into my Kraken wallet, which is great, guys. So eEstate is really making it possible for all of us to withdraw and receive it almost immediately. Remember when I started recording this video and when I clicked on that button to withdraw, it was 19:45. But guess what? I got this just now. Email just came in to say I have just been paid this amount of money. Okay, so this email is directly from eState telling you that your withdrawal has been processed. This is great. And the reason why I have done this is to make you aware of the time, right? Look at the time that the email came, 1946. Remember, when I hit that withdrawal button, it was 1945. So to me, I believe this email came less than 1 minute, not even up to 1 minute, right? And right after I got this email, I received another one from Kraken confirming that payment, guys. Okay, it said you made a deposit. And where did that deposit came from? It came from eState. So there you go. Look at that. 768.24. Guys, I don't know what to say, but this is pretty fast. Really, really fast. In fact, eState surprised me. Really. Okay, look at when the email came to me, 1950. Okay, so this is my own email from Kraken. And then now, let's go to Kraken and confirm this payment, okay? Because I like to show all this evidence for people to see and realize that eState is where you will be able to make great profits on a daily basis, Monday to Friday, if you wish to embrace the opportunity that is being presented to you. So that being said, let me click on my activity here on my Kraken, and then voila. If you look at my Kraken deposit here, you will see that it says deposit Theta USD and 12th of November, and you will see the amount there, right? So the amount there is 768.24 USDT. Guys, this is great. I cannot believe that eState processed my withdrawal less than 1 minute. So I am happy that I am involved in this platform. For those of you that are still trying to consider or maybe decide whether they want to join eState or not, you have seen my results. This is my own personal result. I am not sharing any members screenshot result. Okay, so guys, just remember that this is live withdrawal that has just been made and it has been paid in less than 1 minute, guys. Right? So if you would like to join me in this platform, the link to do so is below this video description, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Remember that the video to register, to deposit, and to purchase your property, that video link is below this video description. Okay, and of course my sign up link as well is below this video description. So guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next eState video. The link to join is below this video description. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This platform gives you that opportunity to deposit with as little as $10. Okay, and then from there you can scale it up to any amount, up to 100,000 if you want, right? So thank you guys. I will see you in my next eState video.